I'm Dan Hilsman, and in this video I will explain why I joined eXp Realty and why you should consider joining eXp Realty too. Be sure to stay to the end of the video for a free, valuable bonus. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. Why did I join eXp Realty? There's 5 big benefits why I joined eXp Realty. 1. KV Core. KV Core is a lead generation website that helps you run your business seamlessly. Has all the bells and whistles and anything you need to run a profitable real estate business. Number 2. 55 plus hours of training weekly in the cloud. These are trainings that are recorded and you don't have to miss a meeting ever again. No more getting in your car, driving, missing meeting. These are high level live meetings that will help you grow your real estate business. Number 3, healthcare. With eXp Realty, we have our own healthcare. It's a great healthcare program, and it's helping some agents save hundreds and even thousands of dollars per month and per year. Number 4, stock awards. Since being at eXp Realty for a little over 3 years, I have earned a lot of free stock, and I've also been able to buy stock at a discount. This stock will help me to be able to retire someday and provide a little higher quality of life for my family at the back of my real estate business. Number 5, referral income, also referred to as revenue share income. This is income that's going to help me to retire someday with some additional funds that I would not have had if I'd been at any other company besides eXp Realty. eXp is helping me to earn consistent monthly passive income that will help me earn and to have financial and time freedom. Now for the number 1 reason and the only big reason that I joined eXp Realty. You see, those 5 benefits are great, but it's that one big reason that I joined eXp Realty that I'd like to tell you about. Here it is, collaboration. I'm able to collaborate with some of the top real estate agents on the planet and been able to partner with some of these agents that are helping me grow my business, but more importantly, helping me help my agents grow their real estate business. We receive some of the best help from some of the best agents in the world. See, no longer is it my broker or my brokerage or a coach or someone in my local area. With eXp Realty, we're in all 50 states, Canada, and many other countries. So all the agents come together and collaborate and help each other to grow their business. Now you might ask, why do they do that? Because they've never really done that for me in my previous companies. 20 plus years in real estate, I've never seen the collaboration like I see today at eXp Realty. One big reason that they do this is because we're an agent-owned brokerage. So the more that they can help me grow and help my agents to grow, the more they grow, the more the company grows. It's just a win-win-win situation. It's this collaboration from these top agents that's helping me grow bigger and faster, and to help my agents grow bigger and faster than I ever have been able to grow before. You see, these top agents are giving me their playbook, what's working right now in the real estate industry to help me and to help my agents. By creating win-win situations, the company wins and we all win together. Now for the bonus. You can go to my website, www.dansrealestatesolutions.com. You can get a lot more information on eXp Realty, on me personally, without having to register or give anyone your information. If you like this video and found value, click these boxes below. Once again, I'm Dan Hilsman, and if you'd like to contact me, see my contact information below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. Remember, Dan's Real Estate Solutions, real solutions for real estate agents. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.